Hello everyone, I'm Ben, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to transform your restaurant with a free digital menu creator app that also has orders management and payments feature. So Elegant Menu is a platform that lets you create a digital menu for your restaurant. After you create your menu, you can download the QR code from your profile, or you can use an NFC tag, which is a newer technology, and put it on the table. Then your customers will scan the menu, and then they will see the menu and they can choose different items that they would like to order. You will receive the orders immediately, and then you will see the table number, the name of the person, and also the order items. In case of takeaway restaurants, people also can order from their home or their office. So this has a huge benefit, and you can create basically your e-commerce website using this tool. After customers create their order, they receive an email for the tracking of their order. The tracking of the order shows the status of the order. So if it is pending, or if it is in preparing, or if it is ready, people will be notified and will understand in which stage is their order. You can reduce staff that is needed to take the orders and take the payments. So for example, in a crowded restaurant, whenever you go, usually there is some time that you need to wait for a waiter to come and take your order. So all this time can be eliminated by digitalizing the order flow. So that's it. And now let me show you how to create your menu. So first of all, you need to come to elegant.menu website. You need to press on start for free, and then create an account with your Google account. Okay, so after you log in with your Google account, you will come to this page. On this page, you will see your name and then your plan, subscription plan. The second section is your business information. You can add your business information by pressing on update info. So first we ask for a business logo, because this will look nice on your menu. So you can choose a file from here. It must be less than 1 megabyte. Then you can press on upload logo. As soon as the logo is updated, it will be displayed under this section. So the next thing is the name of your business, your restaurant, the currency, and then if you like decimal places in the price. So you can adjust that from here like this, and then you will add your phone and address and social links and a short about text. Afterwards, you can press on save. After you press on save, you will come back to the profile page and your information will be updated. The next section is the menu, so you can press on edit menu, this, and then you can add categories. For example, you can add drinks. Now you can press on this button or just press enter. Then for each category, you can just click on it or click on this button and then add the items. Let's say Coke. Like this, and then the price, for example, 2. Then the allergens. Allergens are important for safety of people who are allergic to some food, and this is recommended that you add also allergens. You can also choose the photo of the item that you have, and also if you have a discount on this item, you can add it here. So after you finish, you press on enter and the item will be added. In case this item is not available in a day or like for any reason, you can disable it from here like this. But if you want to remove the item completely from the menu, you can press on the trash icon here. Then you can also reorder items by grabbing and dropping in another position. After you finish editing your menu, you can press on Save Menu. And with this button, you can choose whether you want to display photos. So if you have photos, you can enable this. But if you don't have photos, we recommend that you disable the photos. And you obviously from here, you can choose the menu language. Again, when you see this blinking icon, press on the Save. Okay, now we have created our menu. Let's go to the profile section. Now we can download our QR code, which will be a file, image file with the QR code inside, or we can visualize our menu. Next section is the orders section. So to be able to accept orders, you need to first enable orders with this toggle. And then you choose which type of orders do you provide. So for example, for a takeaway restaurant, they will disable the dine-in and they will enable takeaway. If they have delivery service, they can also enable this. Then there will be a form asking for delivery fee and minimum order for free delivery. This part, we have automatic order printing, which needs a bit of configuration on your side. So we have a setup guide here. Or order passcode. Order passcode is useful when you don't have payments, because if you don't have payments, everybody can just create an order and they might be wrong. So we have this option that you can set an order passcode. So only people who know the passcode will be able to create orders. So to receive orders, you have two options. You can either receive them directly inside your Telegram here. So you can connect your Telegram by pressing on this button, or you can copy the link and send it to someone who wants to be connected. So on the standard accounts, we support 2 users for Telegram integration, and on the premium account, we support up to 7 people. So if you are a large restaurant, you can have 7 people who will be receiving order notifications. Or you can press on manage orders and new orders will appear here as they arrive. Then you can update their status by pressing the buttons. This page is useful for displaying in a big TV in the fast food restaurants or takeaway restaurants, so people understand in which stage is their order. So you cannot do anything here. You just cast this page on a TV which is connected through HDMI, and then you can press on this button so to make it full screen, and then it will show the orders list in these positions. And then you have an analytics, so how much you sold and how much was the revenue, and then a list of all of the orders that you had. And in this part, it is the restaurant news, so it displays a moving text like this on top of your menu. This is useful for notifications, holidays, I don't know, promotions, something like this. So you can change this text. So for example, we are closed on Monday, something like this, and then you press on save. So it will display news like rolling section on top of the menu. And the final part is the payments. So you can press on the payments. Then you can create a payment account with this button. Then this button will be changed, and then you can, by pressing on the next button, you will be redirected to the Stripe. So Elegant Menu uses a Stripe to provide secure payments. So when you go to the Stripe, you need to create an account, payments account on the Stripe. So when somebody creates an order and pays the order, the funds will be directly go to your Stripe account, and then the Stripe by default sends the funds to your bank account every day. You can obviously change these settings through your Stripe dashboard. You can also download the Stripe mobile app to manage the payments and to check the orders, or to do the refunds if there's an issue, and if their customers wants a refund, you can do the refund from there. Obviously, after you connect and create your Stripe account, you need to enable payments like this. Here, because the account is not created yet, it gave me an error. On this part, you can also configure the minimum order that is possible. So for example, if the order amount is less than 3 euros, the user cannot create an order. And the last part is the currency of the payment. Obviously, after you make the changes, you always save settings. So that's it. We try to make it as simple as possible. Please remember to review us on Trustpilot, and also send us any suggestions, or if you have any problems, please write us a message on WhatsApp. We are here. You can reach us also by email with info@elegant.menu. Thanks for your attention and happy cooking.